Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Rainbird Micro Bubbler is probably one of the most efficient and versatile watering solutions for your garden, offering precise water delivery directly to the root zone of your plants, minimizing waste and maximizing hydration. This innovative device is designed to provide a gentle yet effective spray pattern, ensuring that even delicate seedlings receive the moisture they need without being disturbed, making it an ideal choice for flower beds, shrubbery, and vegetable patches where targeted watering is crucial for healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Its durable construction and easy installation further enhance its appeal, promising a long-lasting and hassle-free gardening experience for enthusiasts of all levels. Number 5. MIXC Adjustable Drip Emitters. Introducing our adjustable drip emitters, designed to provide precise watering for your lawn, garden, and flower beds. They are perfect for both small and large garden spaces. You can easily adjust the water flow from 0 to 10 feet in diameter. Whether you need a gentle mist or a steady stream, these emitters can be fine-tuned to your exact needs, or even turned off completely. These emitters are ideal for a variety of plants, including vegetables and herbs. They are especially beneficial for larger garden areas, ensuring every plant receives the right amount of hydration. Designed to fit 1 4-inch irrigation tubing, they can also be inserted directly into larger tubes. For a secure fit, simply soak the end of the hose in hot water before connecting. These emitters are detachable, making them incredibly easy to clean and maintain. You won't have to worry about clogging, ensuring consistent performance season after season. Pair them with common accessories like couplings and barbed tees for a complete irrigation setup. Enjoy efficient and hassle-free watering for all your gardening needs. What we like. This product offers a flexible adjustable water flow, allowing you to customize it from larger to smaller or even turn it off completely. It's perfect for large gardens and is detachable for easy cleaning, preventing clogs. If you have a large garden or need versatile watering options, you should consider this. What people say. They work exactly as another video from a customer submitted. The 1 4-inch lines are great. Flexible but strong, which makes attaching to emitters easy. I particularly like their strong coverage. When I adjust them to a wider circle, they still do hit the interior of that circle and not just the edge, so I can use them for row crops or turn them way down and use them like bubblers for individual plants. These emitters work very well to provide a nice little fan spray. One thing that is great, they have a 7-inch stem, instead of a 5-inch stem. That allows you to place them so you have a little more height, or you can stake them a little deeper to make sure they don't move. Flow adjustment is easy, and they provide a perfect measurement of water over time. Number 4. Rainbird DRIPPAILQ Drip Irrigation Repair Kit. Introducing the Rainbird DRIPPAILQ, your ultimate solution for drip irrigation repair and expansion. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to maintain your system. This convenient and portable storage kit includes 112 professional-grade universal parts. You can easily repair or expand any drip system with these high-quality components. The handy pail neatly stores an included 250 feet of self-dispensing 1 4-inch blank distribution tubing. It's designed for effortless use and storage. Its refillable top tray keeps commonly needed parts like emitters, connectors, plugs, couplings, and stakes organized and within reach. Everything stays tidy and accessible. Featuring Rainbird's patented emitter installation removal tool, working with emitters and 1 4-inch fittings has never been easier. It simplifies maintenance tasks significantly. This kit contains 40 high-quality, pressure-compensating, self-piercing emitters. You get a variety of flow rates to suit different watering needs. It also includes a troubleshooting guide with helpful tips. Learn how to adjust flow or fix clogs and breaks quickly and efficiently. What we like. This is a convenient and portable kit designed for repairing or expanding any drip system, containing 112 professional-grade parts. It neatly stores essential components and includes a special tool for easy emitter and fitting work. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to maintain or upgrade your existing drip irrigation, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This system is versatile to a point that once established you can change where the water goes, add to the system, make changes wherever you need, and is what I call idiot-proof. Even if you make a mistake, it can easily be corrected with little effort. The 1/2-inch black hose carries the water wherever you need it. There are drips that can be set up at the base of the plant so that just the plant gets the water and no water is wasted. Micro sprayers in a half circle and full circle can cover a larger area all at one time and so on. There are so many options and the pieces needed are low cost and almost foolproof. This bucket is really laid out nicely with all the smaller pieces in a tray in the top of the bucket and the spool of hose below but fed up through the tray for easy use. Number 3. Rainbird MBF4 PKS Drip Micro Bubbler 4-pack. Introducing the Rainbird Micro Bubbler. It directs water exactly where your plants need it, making watering in diverse planting areas incredibly simple. Experience efficient watering with its unique design, emitting multiple streams of water much like a traditional sprinkler head. It ensures thorough coverage for your garden beds. Easily customize the watering range with a simple twist of the cap. You can adjust the spray distance from 0 to 3 feet to suit your specific needs. Gain complete control over your watering with fingertip flow adjustment and a convenient shut-off option. It features a full 360 degrees watering pattern for comprehensive coverage. Its barbed fitting allows for quick attachment to 1/4 drip tubing. Constructed from durable, UV and chemical-resistant materials, it's built to last for years to come. This convenient 4-pack provides everything you need to get started. Enjoy efficient and precise watering for multiple areas of your landscape. What we like. This option precisely directs water with 8 streams, mimicking a sprinkler head, and allows you to adjust the spray distance from 0 to 3 feet by simply twisting the cap. It also features fingertip flow control with a shut-off option and a full 360 degrees watering pattern. If you need targeted watering in various planting areas and appreciate precise control, this is the product for you. What people say. Installation was a breeze. Just plug them into the 1/4-inch tubing, stake them where you want coverage, and adjust the flow as needed. They offer a nice, even 360 degrees spray, and I was able to dial in just the right output for different plant zones. Each microbubbler can be adjusted to control the distance it covers. These work perfectly in the garden. The spray is quite versatile and easily adjusted. Very easy installation. Number 2. 50 PCS Garden Irrigation Micro Flow Dripper. These drippers offer 2 adjustable water flow options, a gentle mist or a focus stream. Easily switch between them to suit your plant's needs. Forget the hassle of dragging hoses around. These emitters significantly reduce watering time, ensuring your plants receive the best irrigation with minimal effort. Experience uniform micro-drip irrigation that conserves water while maximizing watering effectiveness. It's the smart way to keep your garden healthy. No more back-breaking work for your planters and hanging baskets. Simply turn on the tap and enjoy a cup of tea while your plants are perfectly watered. Ideal for a wide range of applications, these drippers are perfect for gardens, greenhouses, lawns, and agricultural settings. They are a complete solution for your watering needs. This set provides everything you need to maintain lush lawns and healthy plants. Solve your lawn problems and conserve water throughout your garden and farm. What we like. This product allows you to switch between water mist and water column options, significantly shortening your watering time and achieving uniform irrigation for water savings. It's ideal for planters and hanging baskets, letting you relax while your plants get watered. If you want to save water and time while ensuring your plants receive optimal irrigation, this is a great pick. What people say. Output is easily adjustable from a strong stream to a cooling mist. Very adjustable, they stay clean better than most, spitting out the little particles that clog most emitters. I love these nozzles because of the wide range of adjustment I can make. Number 1. Spalolen 30 PCS Push-to-Fit Drip Irrigation Emitters. Installing these emitters is a breeze. Just push them onto your 1/4-inch tubing for a secure fit in just 1 second. They work perfectly for your lawn, garden, or greenhouse. You have complete control over how much water your plants receive. Adjust the flow from a gentle drip to a steady stream, covering an area up to 10 feet. You can even turn them off when not needed. Say goodbye to leaks and wasted water. These emitters provide a tight, leak-proof connection for consistent and efficient watering. They are ideal for various garden types. Don't worry about compatibility issues. These emitters work with all types of 1/4-inch irrigation tubing, including PVC, polyethylene, and vinyl. Just ensure your pipe's outer diameter is less than 0.7 millimeters. Need to make adjustments? These emitters can be easily removed with a simple pull, no tools required. Reposition your irrigation system effortlessly whenever you need to. Clogging is no longer a concern. These drippers are detachable and simple to clean, ensuring uninterrupted watering for your plants. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance. We offer a variety of emitter types, including vortex and spray, in different sizes to suit your specific irrigation needs. Explore our full range of compatible fittings and tubing for a complete solution. What we like. This product offers a revolutionary 1-second push-to-fit installation, eliminating the need for tools or heating. It guarantees leak-free performance for consistent water distribution and is incredibly easy to remove and reposition. If you value simplicity, efficiency, and a hassle-free installation process for your drip irrigation system, this is the one to get. What people say. Easy installation, adjustable spray radius, stays firmly in place, sturdy, good for both potted plants and garden area. Push-to-fit seems to work very well. However, some included directions would have been helpful. I had to go back to the Amazon page to figure out how to use them as I had only used the barbed variety. I'm not sure about the longevity yet as I just put them in today, but it sure was easy to attach them. Very good. Quality was as expected, easy to fit, simple to connect to the hosing. Water flow was good, spray quality was what was needed. Would have liked the stakes to be higher, they seem a little short, but overall very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.